Welcome all to another session. We have some questions, basic questions. We are going to discuss how to solve this question. Look at the first question. We have given the angle theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 up to theta n is lies between 0 and pi by 2. That means 0 less than or equal to theta 1, theta 2 up to theta n. All angles are less than or equal to pi by 2. And one condition is given. Summation I varies from 1 to n, sin theta I is equal to n. This implies sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 up to sin theta n. This is equal to n. This is a condition given. We want to find summation of cosine function, tan function, cosecant, secant and cotangent function. The first question is cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 up to cos theta n is equal to dash. And the options are given n, n minus 1, 2n and 0. Okay, now coming to the question or coming to the given condition. We have sin theta 1, sin theta 2 up to sin theta n. That implies sin theta 1 is equal to 1. Sin theta 2 is equal to 1. This goes on and sin theta n is equal to 1. This implies sin theta 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to 1. How many ones? We have n ones. So this is equal to n. This implies theta 1 is equal to pi by 2. Theta 2 is equal to pi by 2. Again, theta n is equal to pi by 2. Okay. From this condition, we arrived all angles are equal to pi by 2. So, what's the value of cos pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2 up to cos pi by 2 n times? We know that cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. So, this means 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus up to 0 n times. So, answer is 0. So, the correct answer is D. Now, summation tan theta 1, tan theta 2 up to tan theta n. What's the value of tan pi by 2? Tan pi by 2 is equal to infinity. That means undefined. So, tan theta 1, tan theta 2 up to tan theta n is infinity or undefined. So, the answer is none of this. Now, cosecant theta 1, cosecant theta 2 up to cosecant theta n summation. Sin theta 1 is equal to pi by 2. So, we know that cosec theta 1 is equal to 1 by sin theta 1. That is equal to 1 by sin pi by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. That is equal to 1. So, the answer is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many ones? N ones. So, the answer is A. That is equal to n. Now, secant theta 1 plus secant theta 2 up to secant theta n. We know that sec pi by 2 that is equal to 1 divided by cos pi by 2. That is equal to 1 divided by cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. That is undefined. So, the answer of this is infinity or undefined. So, choice is none of this. Now, cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 up to cot theta n. We know that cot pi by 2 is equal to 1 by tan pi by 2. That is equal to 1 by tan pi by 2 is equal to infinity. 1 by infinity that is equal to 0. So, this becomes 0 plus up to 0 n times. So, the answer is 0. So, the correct answer is D. Okay. So, we solved the problems. Okay. Now, question is we had two conditions are given and we want to find the value of tan phi x. First condition is given tan 11x is equal to tan 34 degree and tan 19x is equal to tan 21 degree. This condition implies that 11x is equal to 34 degree. This condition implies that 19x is equal to 21 degree. So I can write tan 5x as tangent of 2 times 19x minus 3 times 11x. Okay, so this is mathematically right. That means 2 into 19x minus 3 into 11x. 2 into 19, that is 38x minus 33x, that is equal to 5x. So the equation is balanced. Now I can write tan of 2 into this 19x is equal to 21 degree. That is 2 into 21 degree minus 3 into 11x is equal to 34 degree. 3 into 34 degree. Now this is equal to tangent of 2 into 21, that is 42 degree minus 3 into 34, that is equal to 102 degree. Okay. So this is equal to tan of minus 60 degree. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So this is equal to minus tan 60, that is equal to minus of tan 60 is equal to root 3. So minus of root 3. So the answer is option B. Now consider the question. They are given cos x is equal to 1 by 2 and a condition on x is implemented. That is minus pi by 2 less than x less than pi by 2. Okay. Now we want to find which is greatest. That is which is greatest. That is option A is sin x. Option B is cos x. Option C is tan x. And option D is secant x. So among this value, among these choices, which is the greatest value? Okay, they given cos x is equal to 1 by 2. So minus pi by 2 less than x less than pi by 2 means x is lying in, this is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So s is lying either in first quadrant or in fourth quadrant. So s is like the angle is lying in either first or fourth quadrant. What is cos x is equal to 1 by 2 implies x is equal to plus or minus 60 degree. Since cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and cos of minus 60, that is equal to cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is equal to cos 60, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so angle is either 60 degree or minus 60 degree. This implies x is either 60 degree or minus 60 degree. Right. Now sin 60, what is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin minus 60 is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Now tan 60 is equal to root 3 and tan of minus 60, that is equal to minus root 3. Now secant of 60 is equal to 2 and secant of minus 60 is also is equal to 2. So from this the greatest angle is sec x. So option D is correct. This question is find the value of square root of 1 minus sine square 100 this into secant of 100 degree. Okay, and choices are given. A is 1, B is minus 1, C is 2 and D is 0. Now we know that 1 minus sine square theta, that is equal to cos square theta. So square root of cos square 100 into secant 100. Square root of 100 means mod of cos 100 into secant of 100. Since the angle 100 degree lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cosine is negative. So mod of cos 100 degree, that is equal to minus cos 100 degree. Minus cos 100 degree. Since cosine is negative in the second quadrant, this into sec 100. Sec 100 is equal to 1 by cos 100. This and this will cancel. So this is equal to minus 1. So answer is B. That is equal to minus 1. Now sin theta plus cosec theta is given as 2. Now we want to find the value of sin raised to n theta plus cosec raised to n theta is equal to dash. Options are given. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to minus 1, D is equal to 0. Okay. From this condition itself, we can conclude that theta is equal to 90 degree. Sin 90 is equal to 1, cosec 90 is equal to 1. So sin 90 plus cosec 90 is equal to 2. So sin raised to n 90 plus cosec raised to n 90 is equal to always 2. So answer is 2. But we can do it by step. So we can write sin theta plus this is equal to 1 by sin theta, that is equal to cosec theta, is equal to 2. For taking the LCM, this becomes sin square theta minus 2 sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies sin theta minus 1 the whole square is equal to 0, or sin theta is equal to 1. This implies theta is equal to pi by 2 degree. This implies sin raised to pi by 2 whole raised to n plus cosec pi by 2 whole raised to n. This is equal to sin pi by 2 is 1 raised to n plus 1 raised to n. 1 raised to n, 1 raised to any value that is equal to 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2. So the answer is B. Okay, thank you. In this session, proficiency in concept, we will do more problems in the upcoming videos. Okay, bye.